What?
You didn't play Tuesday last night.
No, I know that.
I'll get it tonight.
It's not a big deal. Colton and I can go get it tomorrow.
Okay. I'm sorry.
It's alright. You didn't get my candy bar? Didn't get kitty glitter. You know how y'all are.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern St. Joseph County, Indiana, Cass County in southwestern Michigan, northwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Marcellus to 7 miles east of Chrysopolis to near Edwardsburg, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Bend, Mishawaka, Niles, Three Rivers, Zillogic, Georgetown, Granger, Chrysopolis, Edwardsburg, Marcellus, Roseland, Bertrand, Penn, Flowerfield, Vandalia, Indian Village, LaGrange, Damsville, Juneau Lake, and Donald Lake. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 75 and 87. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: St. Joseph, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien, Cass, and St. Joseph.